Good morning, everyone. Your Joker is back. And if you are watching this video and you are new to this channel, then congratulations, you are now part of my bat army. So, in this video, we are going to learn how we can make a AI model, actually AI computer vision model, without writing a single line of code. Yes, you heard exactly. We are not going to code a little bit also, but we will make a model. Okay, so how we can make it and how can we implement it, we all gonna learn in this video. And we will focus in computer vision model in this video. Okay, in future I will also add a 2 minute or 3 minute video in which you can learn how to use some other pose detection and other things. Here we are only focusing on computer vision projects. Okay, so our first question is, what is teachable machine? I am showing teachable machine here on the screen. That what is teachable machine? Okay, so teachable machine is an initiative of the Google, which provide you an interface where you can make a code just giving it a data. Actually, I said it incorrectly. It give you the model and you give it the data. Okay, and I will explain you in the tutorial inside the video. So without wasting much time, let's jump into the video. Okay, so first what you have to do is just open the Google Chrome or Brave and any browser you are using, and just go to the just write teachable machine and open the teachable machine.withgoogle.com. You will find it first and or second link. Okay, so this is the website. Here we will just click on the get started. Okay, here you will get pretty good interface where it will ask you, you have to make a audio project, post project or image project. I already told you that we are working on the image project only. Okay, so I will jump on the image project, but firstly I just give the brief about the UI. Okay, so first, here is an open an existing project from the drive, and here is from file. Okay, when you will make a project, you can save it in the Google Drive or your file in the laptop, and you can open it from here only. Okay, this is for future purposes. It means you have made a project and you have to save it so that you can edit it later. Okay, so these tabs are for that, and here are some there some open project, new project, teachable machine, sorry, and some videos. Okay, and of course some feedback points. So this was all about this page, and let's just you have to just click on image project. Okay, so now here you have to select it accordingly. Okay, here embedded image model and this is standard image model. If you are thinking that you have to run your model on your laptops or the PCs which can have a little more processing power, you can use standard image model. But if you are thinking to implement it on the embedded things like Raspberry Pi, Arduino or other microcontrollers, then you should use embedded image model. It's a little less accurate, but it's little light. Okay, and but here the standard image model, it's like it's in the MBs, and of course it's much accurate than embedded image models. Okay, here I'm using my laptop which have GTX 1660, actually 1650. Okay, so it's have 1650. Of course it's not a high graphic card, but it's like good for the this model. Okay, so just click it. Here you can see here interfaces like classes, class 1, class 2, and here you can add the samples. It's like, first of all, we are just only learning it, so just use two classes. Here is one webcam model. Is like it's saying there was an error because I can't load my image because my webcam is using my image here, so you can see it. Okay, so here you can add the image using your webcam and record it, and you can upload the images. Let's do it simultaneously so that you can get the idea. So first of all, we want data. Let's go to Kaggle. Okay, those who don't know what is Kaggle is a place where you can find a small data set. Okay, like fire. Okay, just we want a small. Don't. Okay, let's see the data. No, no, no. We want the JPG images. Okay, this is the fire detection data which we wanted, and no, actually this is not the correct format. Of course, you have to see two, three things. It's like then all only you will get the data you want. So yeah, this is the dataset which we want. Just download it. You have to sign into Kaggle for downloading the dataset. So just I have already signed in. It will take some seconds according to your network speed. Okay. Until then, here I will just give you some things which you have to know before making the model. First is epoch size. Okay, so epoch is basically how many times your data will be trained. It's like my data have consist of 500 images. Okay, so one epoch means my model will train on all the 500 images one time. For two epoch means that it's go on the all the 500 images two times. Okay, so here epoch is 50. That means it will train the same data, means it will see the same data 50 times. Although I prefer it 25 because our data is small and you have to give an optimal epoch value according to your data. And how will you know what is optimal epoch value? Is by practicing it. Okay, so it's like if you add the epoch value too low, then it will not train, means it will give the wrong answers. And if you have epoch value too high, then it will give result on the images of this, means that your training data, but it will fail on the data which it has never seen before. Okay, so here is a batch size. Batch size is according to your computer complexity, means if your the bigger batch size means there is a different batch, means a group, you can say a group. Like 16 batch means there are many groups of 16 images, like 500 image. So how many batches? 500 divided by 16. Okay, and learning rate is basically that how small part of image this will see. It means the smaller the learning rate, the smaller pixel it will consider, and the higher the learning rate, the bigger, you know, like how can I say, like here, if its value is very small, then it will see this here lines and here pixel, and it's big, then it will see, oh, there is three lines, there is teachable machines. Okay, so I think you will get it by right now. So just here we go for our data, just extract it. Okay, so this will take some time. Okay, here are data, and just I spread my window. Okay, we write it file, and we write no file. Okay, so just click on the upload. Okay, this is file dataset, and just drop it. It will load the sample. Okay, now no file upload. Okay, you will see that there is 110 images of fire and 500 image of the no fire. Now you'll think, why is this data imbalance? Actually, this is correct data. The person who was storing this data knows that there are less chances that there is no less chances that there is fire. There are more chances there is no fire. So he have sent 541 images as no fire and 110 images as fire. Okay, so let's just increase some learning rate. Sorry, decrease, and just train the model. Okay, it's generally on your RAM and your processing units that it will take us some time according to it. And just wait a minute. Okay, so you can see that it have started the training process and it's going very fast. Okay, so here our data, our model is trained, and now we have to check it. And for that I have to shut down my webcam. So it's like, let's jump on, try turning off my camera. Okay, so we are back, and here I turn on my camera. So here there is no fire. You can see it's detecting so well. And here I don't have lighter. Actually I have no. So I don't have lighter right now, but we can show him the images of the fire to check. It's like, just write fire on the Google. Okay, yeah, you can see that this is fire. And what, yeah, it's detecting the fire. Let's see some more pictures of fire that it can detect or not. Accurate. Let's see some more. So you can see how accurate it's detecting. Okay, so this is how you can make the model without even coding it. Okay, and let's now I will show you how you can use it. Just I turn off my camera, and here we will export it. uh Actually, let's first turn my webcam on. Oh, yeah, I'm back. Yes. So here, you just have to, is like TensorFlow.js for JavaScript, but you are using the TensorFlow because, of course, we all are machine learning student if you are watching this video. Okay, and if you are not, then also just go on TensorFlow. Here you keras, and here OpenCV keras. Okay, and here just copy this code and just download my model. Here it will download your model after converting, and you just have to apply this code in your you know text editor or PyCharm or Visual Studio Code, whatever you are using. Okay, just wait, I will give you a demo. Okay, my model is, yes, so my model is downloaded, and I have copied the script. Just let's unzip the model, convert it. Okay, so this is our model, and you just have to I'm just opening my ID in my personal environment. Okay, Anaconda is used to give you an environment, and it's very useful software. You should have one for yourself. Okay, just I will open a folder. Select folder. Just yes, I just start qw.py. Done. Okay, just I have pasted the script that it has given and just try running. And yeah, and remember, you should pip install numpy, cav2, keyless model, and you should have Python in your PC to run this model. Okay, and yes, you should pip install TensorFlow also, cause it require. Oh, it will not work because my camera is again in use. Just deactivate it. Some warnings, and you can, yeah. So here you can see no fire, no fire, no fire, and there will be image here. This is my image, and it is no fire. It's predicting right, no fire, no fire, no fire, no fire, no fire. Okay, and with confidence score. And if you again, uh give the image of fire, it will predict that it is a fire. So here you get a script, here you get the model, and you do not have to write a single line of code. You just have to copy it, paste it, and just download it, and that's all. So this is how amazing this teachable machine is. And what I will say is, like, you just have to try it at home and just give a subscribe button and share it with your friends if you like this video. And I will meet you in the next video. Until then, bye bye, my bat army.